यस, ये 80 WPM की एग्जैक्ट स्पीड आएगी HSSC के लिए। तो स्टार्ट। मिस्टर डिप्टी स्पीकर सर, आई एम वेरी glad that I have the opportunity to take part in this discussion on the demands for grants in respect of the Ministry of Labour. Full stop. I am very happy we have got a very good Labour Minister, but I do not know whether he is able to take all the steps necessary to improve the labor situation in this country at this critical moment. Full stop. The Industrial Policy Resolution of 1956 clearly mentions that in the process of rapid industrial development, labor assumes a vital role to establish a socialistic pattern of society. Full stop. The main problems facing the working class are of getting adequate wages, essential commodities at prices they are afford, some sort of shelter and cloth. Full stop. The government minimum needs program has hardly reached the working class. Full stop. The vast majority of laborers are unable to make both ends meet. Full stop. The government has mentioned endlessly on the question of involving a national wage policy or an integrated wages incomes prices policies. Full stop. Next stanza. In the labor ministers conference some time back, it was suggested that steps should be taken to enforce the minimum wages in the different industries. Full stop. It was also suggested that non-implementation of minimum wages should be declared as a cognizable offense and the offenders should be arrested. Full stop. However, it had been argued at the conference that more deterrent punishment should be given to the offenders and that the act should be amended suitably. Full stop. Necessary changes should have been made in the central legislation by this time. Full stop. The Industrial Disputes Act had become outdated and it should be completely overhauled. Full stop. It has been claimed that the emergency has brought discipline among laborers and the production has been increased. Full stop. Yes, it is a fact, but the laborers are forced to work and they are forced not to take part in the trade union activities. Full stop. The trade union rights have been completely taken away from the labor. Full stop. But sir, I want to impress upon the minister that motivations for work should not be imposed from outside, but it should come from within. Full stop. A contented labor force is an asset to the development of industries. Full stop. You have taken away the permitted bonus. Full stop. Some time back, this parliament passed an act to fix the minimum bonus at 8.33%. Full stop. But the same act was adversely amended by द सेम पार्लियामेंट, सम टाइम, एगो, फुल स्टॉप एंड ओवर।